Hey guys, it's Jen from beautyriotx, and today we are doing our monthly Ricky's Cult Crushes unboxing, and I'm kind of excited because this feels kind of heavy. This is a very inexpensive subscription box. It's usually skincare, makeup, beauty items in general. It's really fun, it's cute, it's quirky, so I've had it for a few months and I'm actually really enjoying it. Make sure you like and subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and definitely hit the notification bell because YouTube has yet again changed their algorithm to where it's even harder to see the people you're subscribed to or the people you're interested in, especially if you're like me and one of the smaller YouTubers. So make sure you hit the notification bell to be alerted to when I upload again because YouTube just loves to hide me. Alright, so I haven't opened it. They really do a really good job of sealing it, but Jesus, this takes forever. As per usual, all the information for this box will be listed below. One of my only issues with the box is they don't name the prices, so I have to look it up, which isn't a big deal, but you know, that's fine. Ugh, okay. These are very pretty. They're the Nail Her Ghost Oval Professional Manicure Set. Includes 24 nails, 12 sizes, nail file, and nail glue. It's really cute, but I don't do nails, as you can see. So I will probably not try these, but I will give them to my daughter. She'll love them. Not the toddler, obviously. All right, the next is from Burt's Bees. This is their Micellar Cleansing Towelettes 3-in-1, removes makeup, cleanse, and hydrates. This has 30 of them in it. I haven't heard good things about, not this one in general, but Burt's Bees wipes, so I'll let you know how these are actually. You get a little packet of oil. I don't know what that is. And this looks fun. This is, I don't know what it is, but we will find out. Looks like a palette of some sort, which is always exciting. Oh, fun! It's the Pinky Rose. I love Pinky Rose. I actually just got my first order from them like 2 months ago, and I really like their stuff. They're pretty inexpensive. It's like around Morphe-ish kind of prices. Bright Lights palette. Take your artistry to the next level with vibrant colors. Nice sleek palette. But it doesn't feel like crappy. Oh, look how pretty! Oh my gosh, I'm very excited. Now, I did actually get a similar palette to this a few months ago. I think it was like the Chi Chi palette, and they had colors like this, but I have to say that palette wasn't very good quality-wise. I actually passed it on, so I already have tried Pinky Rose products, and I really do like them, so I have high hopes for this. We'll just, not that finger swatches mean a ton, but I like to do it anyway. But I love that they have like sparkle shades in here. That's very fun. Ooh, they feel really smooth. That's good. They do have, it's mostly matte, but they have 2 like shimmer and then 3 glitter colors, which is pretty cool. Nice color range. The pigmentation looks really nice. So far, so good. Now let's give the like glitter colors a try because, just kidding who, that's what we're all waiting for. They feel very, very good. Now let's see how they now I will actually put them on with my fingers. Okay, it's not bad. And you know what? I think I actually have tried a few of their glitters before. Because they're actual glitter colors, like glitter eyeshadows, I don't think there's a way to not make them kind of patchy. But I mean, I figure if you just keep applying a few coats of it, yeah, there you go. If you apply like an extra coat of it, it goes on, it fills in those gaps. I'm very excited to try this. This is awesome. I'm going to put this in my everyday makeup drawer to make sure that I try it the next time I do my makeup. So that was it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, this was Ricky's Cult Crushes. Ricky's is actually a store in New York, and I got 4 things this time. One of them was like a little sample, but because I got this palette, I'm not too mad about it. All right, so that was it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more. I have many more videos coming up, and that was it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.